under here. See, this way I'm having a lot of issues with. I got this pineapple for 700. So, holiday is over. I'll be resuming work on Monday, and there are some things that I need to put together before I resume. Like I need to get food stuff for the house. I need to stock up. So I'm going to the market today. I have dark spot from my ingrown hairs. Every other place in my skin is good, but you see under here, see, this way I'm having a lot of issues with. It's hidden, and that's one of the things that is even giving me so much joy, because it's when you come closer that you're going to see it very well. Pluck the hairs out, but the dark spots, they are there. But even though I use treatment products, but it takes a while before it will go. But yeah, my skin is still giving. See, O'Shea badass. So this is what my outfit looks like. A little bit of lip gloss. Customer, I won't buy onions. Now, wow. 5,000.
This is past 5,000.
Let's make you add 500. That'd be 1,500 now.
Okay.
Check my video online. Make a video you. No. Add now. Make it.
And it's 2,000. But now it's 1,500. Bring to 500.
Things now are so expensive, like very expensive. I don't know where we are going to in this country, seriously. I got this pineapple for 700, and I bought some things that I'll be using to do pap. I want to do pap. I kind of don't like the ones they sell here, so I want to do it myself. So that will be in maybe next week. All these things: corn, millet, and guinea corn. These are the stuffs, the main ingredients that are 500. 500, that's 1,000. I think it's a good buy. I think it's fair enough. I got this ginger for 1,500, and I got this 3 garlic for 1,200. Bell pepper, this one I got this 2 for 2,000. So this is the way I store my bell pepper. I'll just wrap it up with maybe newspaper or this thing, foil paper, but I don't have any of those, so that's why I'm using just ordinary paper. Then use the cling film to wrap it very tightly and keep it in the fridge or the freezer, depending on how long you want to use it.
I don't know what is wrong with this aloe vera, this particular one. I don't know. It's not growing well. Like, I don't know whether is it water or what. I don't know. This one was the one that was doing so well before, and all of a sudden it just started misbehaving. Now look at this one. This one is growing so well. I don't know. Then my water leaf. Yeah, I have a small garden. Lately I've been enjoying planting. So because I had water leaf, that's why I didn't buy water leaf for my vegetables. So I'll be cutting from here.